This is going to be a new casino complex to Ottawa. 80,000 square feet of new gaming space. It's going to house a new central bar for live sports betting, high roller limit tables for all your table gambling, and slot machines. On the electrical side, we're installing a lot of conduit racking systems and cable tray systems. So for Gripple products, we're using a lot of the Y-Fit. About 5 years ago, we had a demo from Gripple, and we really felt that it was a very innovative product. It was a lot better than the traditional racking systems we were using, saving us a lot of time on site. So installing the Gripple Y-Fit is probably half the time it would be to a traditional rack.
We're taking care of the piping, which is heating, cooling, plumbing, domestic water. Well, we just learned about these GCS clamps recently on this project, and we've been using it to secure our pipes to a unistrut system. The easy adjustability from, what, 1/2 inch to 9 inch helps multi-trades, because when I secure it to the pipe, an insulator comes in afterwards and can loosen the GCS clamp, pass his insulation through, and re-secure it.
So right now we're doing all the ventilation for this project. We're doing lots of grease duct, lots of filtration and exhaust systems for the whole project. So we have the whole UniGrip product. So first of all, we have our unistrut going through the beams. We then wrapped it with the Gripple system to hang it. And then we noticed that we could use the UniGrip at the bottom for the other unistrut, and it seemed to work pretty good. We made a whole cost comparison and a whole time frame. We had one guy using rod and unistrut, our typical standard way, and then we used our UniGrip systems. The guy doing the UniGrip came out on top a lot faster, so going forward, that's going to be our new way of hanging our ductwork.
Along with how simple the product is to install, the customer service that Gripple offers is excellent. They have in-house engineering, design consultants that are easy to work with. Helps us out immensely on all of our projects. We send them our original designs. They basically create a catalog for us of all the parts that we need with quantifiable numbers. Makes it very simple, basically paint by numbers for install for the guys in the field.
I've been working with Modern Niagara for about 2 years now, and when this project came around, we immediately decided that it would be ideal to work together. They had a very short window to get this project completed, and they knew that working with Gripple would get them there quickly, and they're on target right now to complete the project on time.
Use Gripple. It's the way to go, honestly. It looks good, it's easy, it's effective. Like I said, we've done tests on it, and it always comes out on top.